Hello, Richard Wilson here, CEO of the Family Office Club and Centimillionaire Advisors. I work with ultra-wealthy families and helping them set up their family offices, develop their direct investment deal flow programs. I also have the largest network of registered ultra-wealthy families and family offices. And we host 30 live events a year. And what I want to talk about are Centimillionaire family offices. These are $100 million net worth family offices. And I wrote up some notes when hosting a workshop for them and private investors earlier today here at the Raffles Hotel behind me. Here's downtown Singapore here. And I just wanted to share some of the insights and distinctions about $100 million plus net worth families. First of all, most are not well organized or structured. Most don't have a strike zone for their deal flow. Most have wealth advisors and don't have a strong family office team or processes for their team. Almost none of them pay attention to positioning or branding and have a lot of work to do on attracting deal flow. Many have bad deal flow origination and need much better access to real estate deals and operating businesses. Most aren't focused enough and need to be much more intentional about where they spend their energy, their time, their investments, and not just for themselves, but for everyone around them. The last couple of things I wanted to mention about this is that there are over 100,000 centimillionaire net worth families globally, but there's only 50,000 that we know about. Many are private, under the radar, aren't liquid yet, and are going to be liquid over the next few years. And so this market is huge. When you consider there's only 3,000 billionaires globally, maybe 5,000 to 7,000 because we don't know about them all, this market is much larger, 20 times larger. So it matters more than the billionaire marketplace, and it's more credible, or it's more practical to work with centimillionaires because there's far more of them and they have many less gatekeepers than a billionaire would have. Finally, I would just reinforce that centimillionaires are often entrepreneurial and they're entrepreneurs themselves. So structuring deals creatively, using lending, gross revenue royalties, collateral with income coming off of it within investments, and trying to figure out joint ventures, co-investments, club deals, co-GP structures are all things that entrepreneurial $100 million plus net worth families or just ultra wealthy families in general really appreciate and value. If you want to learn more about $100 million plus net worth families and the family office solutions we put in place for them, please visit centimillionaires.com. It's Cinta with an I, centimillionaires.com. Thank you.